Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a butterfly card dimensional. I'm going to use this stamp set. It's so much fun to play with this stamp set. I love this stamp set, and you can add whatever color you want. You can make butterfly in any color that you please. It's super easy to use. Love it. Amazing stamp set. After I finished the green one, I'm going to show you just how I did the green one because all the rest are the same. I did yellow, orange, red, and they have a small butterfly and a big butterfly. After that, I'm going to get them all together and spray them with glitter spray for them to look shiny. You know, I love glitter. After that, I'm going to start playing with my Nubo drops. I'm going to add a lot of dots on them, a lot, in the same color of they are, and I'm going to use the glitter, and I'm going to use just the color. I use black, I think, in all of them. I'm not sure, but I think I use in all of them. I use the glitter also, but when it dries, it's just the glitter dots that they don't look that much when you look them from far, but when you get close, you see that it's very detailed. After I apply all the Nubo drops that I spent a lot of time playing with this, I want to make more butterflies, to decorate more butterflies. This was super fun and therapeutic. I'm going to wait for the Nubo drops to dry, and I'm going to add with my gel white pen, going to add more details in the butterfly, and I'm also going to do the middle of the butterfly. Is going to be like the body of the butterfly is going to be with glossy accents. It's black, and I'm going to add glossy accent to make it a little bit more dimensional. While I decorating the butterfly, I have to say that I cut these butterflies with scissors, like fussy cutting. They are super easy to cut. Even the antennas in the body is super easy. I really don't know if this stamp set has die cuts, but I'm going to find out. If have it, I will add it in the description down below. Okay. After I finish, I wait for everything to dry, and I'm going to prepare in the meantime my card panel. My card panel is 5 by 5, I believe. No, 5.5 by 5. 5.5 by 5. And I just adding a blue shadow in the border of the card with my distress inks, and I'm going to tell you what color. I think I use the lightest blue, that is tumble glass. Yeah, for this. It's very light, around. I'm sorry, I'm dropping things here now. I'm going to see what I want, and I want it in a cascade, going to the sides and through the middle. I'm trying to see what I did in this card, because I did this card like 3 to 4 days ago, and I I haven't do the editing of the video that I'm doing right now. The voiceover, of course. I'm going to glue the body, only the body of the butterfly, and I'm going to press very well. After I glue the body of the butterfly, I'm going to add foam tape that's a little bit thicker than the normal foam tape in the wings. That way the wings stay up. But I'm going to stick the foam tape very close to the body. That way it doesn't go down that much. It stays dimensional. I'm going to do this in all of the butterflies. Now that I finished that, I'm going to add the sentiment, and I remember right now that I didn't leave this space for sentiment. I want to put hello in a big bold letters between the butterflies, and I didn't remember. I just now remember, and I found this sentiment that comes with the stamp set. It's very nice, and it fit in the corner, and it looked good, and I went for it. I'm going to, when I finish stamping the sentiment, I'm going to add frame in black. I'm going to glue my card panel to my a black cardstock. That way you have a frame. And after that, I'm going to add it to my, glue it to my card base. Now my card is in the card panel is in the card base, and I'm going to add little jewels all around. I know you have already a lot of color, it's a very busy card, but I want the card to be super busy, because I'm now doing cards that I fill in all the space and all the colors. And this card is very easy to put in an envelope. You're going to see here how I put in an envelope. No matter how dimensional it is, you can press it and the butterfly's wings come back. Well, thank you for watching the video. Until next card. Goodbye.